Everybody, and welcome back. Today we are going to show you how we can fix high memory uses, CPU spikes, or RAM overload on your Windows. So let's just get started. So sometimes Windows Explorer gets stuck and uses too much RAM. For that, we can restart our Windows Explorer. Go over to your task manager for that, and you can run it as administrator. Once you do so, you may open this up right here and go to this processes tab right here. From here, go ahead and find the Windows Explorer from the given page and just go over and right click on it, this one right here, and look out for this restart option and go ahead and restart your Windows Explorer. Once this is done, what you can do is we can even disable the startup application. For that also, you need to go to your task manager. So just go over and search for task manager. And then once you go to your task manager, what you may do is look out for the startup applications. And once you find startup applications, from these sections right here, go ahead and disable the application that you do not need at launch. So again, look out for the enable option, right click on it and select the option of disable and disable the applications that do not need the launch. For example, Discord, Steam, Epic, Spotify, Chrome, etc. Also check for background applications, so you can close this up for now and go to your device's settings. Hit Windows plus I and go to your device's settings and go to the option apps and click on it. Once you click on apps, you can look out for the installed applications here and open it up. And from the install applications, you may just go over and uninstall the application that you may never use. So find the application, look out for the three dot and select the option of uninstall and go ahead and confirm it up. Also disable any kind of background permission for apps that you do not need. Within your settings itself, go to the privacy and security option. And from there, look out for the background applications. Go ahead and search for that. And once you find background apps, you can directly search for. And look out for background applications here and basically go ahead and close those applications from your Windows. And apart from that, you can turn off the system me. So hit Windows plus R for that. And within here, just go over and type in services.msc and hit enter. And once you hit enter, that should open up this page right here. You can look out for the super fetch sysmain. So just select one and type in S in the keyboard, and that will take you to the space. From here, go ahead and find this one right here, sysmain, and just go over and right click on it and select the option of stop and set the startup type as disabled. This one right here. Go to properties for that, and you may just go over and select the startup type as disabled. After that is done, just go over and click on apply and click on OK, and that should do it. So that is it, everybody. You may just head over and follow up this process for that. These are some of the solutions you can follow up to fix the high CPU users or anything. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.